Let's start with compaction. So when you have frequent updates to your data, you will have too many small files that will be written to your S3 data, and that is not good. So with compaction job, you can specify, what size of the file you want. So that too many small files will be compacted into one big file of optimum size. And when I say optimum size, ideally it will be around 128 MB, more than that for your faster query performance. So there will be frequent compaction job that will be running at the backend for you, to compact the data basically. And that is nothing but compaction. Moving on to snapshot. So snapshot is the number of active snapshots your iceberg table will have. And it is the snapshot which allows you to time travel. So if I have a snapshot for my previous day, I can go use the time travel query and see my, data at that time. But again, I don't want to have too many snapshots because that will, increase the overhead management of my table. So I can specify how many snapshots I want or maximum number of snapshot age in terms of days. So that will be automatically deleted at the backend for me. And then the last is the unreferenced file. So if my snapshot is deleted, some of the files which are not relevant to any of the snapshot or the active snapshot, they still stay there and they are of no use. And that's when your unreferenced file removal job comes in, which where basically these files are deleted for you at the backend.